Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the latest collection of lightweight gold, most beautiful and exclusive gold jhumka designs and earring designs along with the weight and price. In this video all our jhumka and earring designs is 22 carats and 21 carats gold. If you are visiting my channel for the first time and if you like my collections, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.